To install packages in R from CRAN, we have got two options. First is using commands and another one is using GUI. CRAN is the central repository in which you will get all the packages related to R. First, we will see the option of commands using which we can install packages in R from CRAN repository. The command to install packages in R from CRAN repository is this install.packages. In case if you want to install only single package, in that case you can utilize this particular command, and in case if you want to install more than one packet such that multiple packages, in that case you need to modify the syntax, and in that case you can utilize same command install.packages in the way as shown on the screen. You can use this install.packages command either in the R script or in the R terminal or R console. Over here, make sure that I am talking about R terminal and not the operating system terminal, such that for Windows it will be CMD or command line and for Linux it will be terminal. Let's see how to install package using R script. So for that I will open RStudio, then I will create new R script, and in that R script I will paste this command install.packages E1071 and then I will press Ctrl Enter and it will install that particular package. So whenever you are going to install any new package, you will get the notification or message something like this, installing package into this particular path. So whatever the package you are installing, you will find all the packages on this specified directory. So it was about the R script. In case if you want to use R console or R terminal to install the package, you can do the same thing. So for example, over here in this RStudio session, this particular portion is of R console or R terminal. So you can use the same command over here and install the package. In case if you want to install multiple packages, then I need to modify the syntax. So I will copy this command and I will paste it over here in this R console or R terminal, and using this way I will be able to install multiple packages at once. Now we will talk about installing packages using GUI mode. So in GUI mode, if you want to install package, so in RStudio you need to go to this Tools tab, then click on this install packages. Over here install from, so over here it is repository CRAN, and then you have got second option, that package archive file. So we will talk about it later. Right now I am putting it as is. Then packages, whatever the packages you want to install, for example E1071. If required to install multiple packages, then they can be separated by space or comma. So I will use space and then another package name, let's say mass, then let's say shiny. So in this way as well I can install single or multiple packages, and again you can see that in which directory these packages are going to be installed, that has been mentioned over here. Then click on this install button. Also make sure that you always tick this install dependencies option, so it will install required dependencies as well, and then click on install and it will install all the required packages. Another option that if you want to install packages from RStudio, then go to this view tab. From view tab click on this show packages. So on this bottom right window you will get this packages tab. So earlier it was files, but if you want you can directly click on this packages tab as well. This particular window shows the packages that has been installed on your system. In front of few packages you will get this tick mark option. So this option shows that that particular package has been loaded into your current working environment. For example, if I click on this abind package, so you will see that that particular package has been loaded in your current working environment. If I click on this E1071 package name, so it will be loaded into the current working environment. Over here, make a note that using this library command, you won't be able to load multiple packages at a time. It means that using this library package, you will be able to load single package at a time. You can also write the manual command like this, library mass, and enter. So it will load that mass library, mass package into the current working environment. Another thing, as we are talking about this loading and unloading of packages or libraries, if I click on this particular E1071 package again, so the tick mark will be removed. It means that it has been detached or unloaded from this current working environment. Till now we have talked about RStudio, but now we will talk about R console, R terminal. Now if you have this kind of R GUI or R console, so over here again you have two choice. Either you can use that install.packages command or go to this packages tab, then click on this install packages. Over here it will ask you to select the mirror, so I am going with the default mirror. Then it will provide you the list of packages available on the CRAN repository. Over here you have two options. One is single package selection, and in case if you want to go for multiple package selection, in that case press Ctrl and then click on the package name that you want to install together and then click OK. So it will install all the packages with their dependencies. You can verify it as well. So over here it's showing that installing packages at that particular location. So we will go to that particular path and you can see that whatever the packages I have selected via GUI or using that install.package command, all the packages are over here in this directory. That's it for the day. Thank you for watching this video.